Leona Florentino is known as the mother of Philippine women's literature and was dubbed as the bridge from oral to literary tradition. She was the first Filipino poet to be recognized at the time when women were treated subordinates to men. Her 22 poems, characterized by the originality of thought and elegance of expression written in Spanish and Ilocano, were exhibited in Exposition General de Filipinas in Madrid, year 1887, and in the International Exposition in Paris, 1889. She was also included in the International Encyclopedia of Women's Works in 1889. Florentino was born in Vigan on April 19, 1849 by Doña Isabel, who was married to Don Marcelino, one of the richest men in Ilocos. At a young age of 10, she started writing poetry in Ilocano and learned to speak Spanish. Although prohibited from pursuing university education because of her gender, Florentino engaged herself in reading a large number of books. Father Evaristo Abaya, curate of Vigan, taught her advanced Spanish and encouraged her to write poetry. At the age of 14, Florentino was wed to Elias de los Reyes, who served as the alcalde mayor of Ilocos Sur. They had 5 children, the eldest of whom was Isabelo de los Reyes, who later became a writer, activist, and senator. The best known of Florentino's poem is Nalpay a Namnama, translated as blessed hope, or more loosely curtailed hopes or desires. The point of view of the poem is all about the concept of love. It talks about how to be loved and unloved and to love someone without receiving any in return. However, due to the feminist nature of her writings, Florentino was shunned by her husband and son, forcing her to live alone in exile separately from her family. She died in tuberculosis at the age of 35 on October 4, 1884.
Nalpay na Namnama by Leonora Florentino, Ilocano version. At ingatan ti ayat akanada, aldarabi pampananatin ka. Sumangput ka, lubong ko nga natana, kitbiyago mulon sa din nakita ka. Ito'y dalan ko na si Kanti Magna, si Sir Patangkan nga awan labas na. Matmatak imnas mo awan kapada na, jak nga rin mapukaw ti pinagduwa-duwa.
Pinagduwa-duwa no si kakit agmamaysa, wenno ti posom adan nakaala. Toy manong mo, piman nga agsagaba, no awan kanton, malpaytay namnama. Namnama tati, pusom iyawat mo, tati diro ni ayat, tanggayang tanto, tati rabi sika, kumatraniyag ko, kasnalsag abulan, sa di ay nga to.
Ay sa pintad mo, daydarit dipit, tungaw labi no ikna izidip, antanay to'y nakit, kintoy utik, tatikay tikadwak di ay tagtag init. Nunay didip, tamit na namik, naglagtagtadwa di ay tagtag init. Nino makaliit pa it babalunik, tanak kamakli di ay dadagit dipit.
Ketga puti na laos nga ayat ko, pinamusto sa kinyapan ka di ay ungtok. Taada di ay, di may siya, nga kayo. Inuupit kong nagan mo nga sinanpuso. Ado itawenen na nabilang ko, dumting manen, nilamiis itiapo. Awan man lang sa asi nga maura ay ko. Taitambagan puro sentiment.
Natay si kakenyak makagura, yeb kastoy pusokit si kalata. Nalabi ti ayat kit kasingata, pintas mo umunay aliw-liwa. Amina pinagdongo impakitak, si pupudnwak ta adyak pa'y naglibak. Nagbabaan to'y gasat na syak ti agayat, taapay madinak man lang na ayat.
Gasat na danunen, tipang nakapaay, sinaom adinak am mauray, na ot-ot launay, tiing ka impaay, naupay aayat, kasabong analalay. Gagayet, ipalpalawag, sikatikayat ko, patongpal, ngem makitak met asi babatad, ni pay ken riday, ti kalamak-amak.
Kinanad ka, pakto ti ulasik, malaki anik liga tiyak akni. Gapo pimati ayak po kimpakti, tamakdip pay dinik na ti dinikdik. Yay tangan ti ay kin dinipak na ko, tidak tiya akto tuy balong koko. Nuyak ak tagabay nga ak nanayog na pay inak naman alok ko.